Good morning. Vlogmas day 7. Welcome to my channel. First of all, I'm just about to get my oil changed in my car. I had to hurry up and get here before 12 o'clock, so I look like a hot mess right now. Well, hopefully they're gonna fit me in. Looks like they have a line of people trying to get their oil changed today. Anyways, nice way to start my day. I gotta wash this greasy hair of mine, and wash my face and get myself together, because like I said, I am looking like a hot mess. Okay, so I'm just leaving Toyota. I'm picking up my car. Got me an oil change. Luckily, I had made it just in time. Gonna head on over to my sister's. Of course, I still gotta get myself together. I end up washing my hair. I gotta still get myself together. The sun is really out today. Okay, so now I've got my brows on, hair clean. Just leaving my sisters. They just got a new house. They bought a house. So Christmas music. Gonna head on home to meet up with my honey, because he had to get his car together, and safety first. And probably grab something to eat. Not probably, we're gonna grab something to eat. But yep, day 7 Vlogmas day. Wow. It is something to make a video every day. I guess you could say 25 days. And work and take care of a baby, be a wifey, soon to be wifey. But gotta do what you gotta do, right? I'm feeling my hair. Feeling it. I'm in one of my favorite stores, Target. I'll be back up here. I just had to go talk to my son real quick. He works here. So I'll be back up here, because you can't leave Target without nothing. Finally made it to Old Navy. About to return my package. They have a bunch of good sales. Looks like, what did it say? 60% off. Bunch of the cute pajamas. I actually seen this little shirt that I think I might get. Of course, I was supposed to be returning something and exchanging, but I can't leave out here without buying something else. Oh, I like that. I like that. That mannequin. Cute. Bunch of cute stuff. I'm loving this place. Thinking about grabbing these mittens. Cute little socks. I'm gonna buy me a few. I don't have enough hands. The pajamas. They're $10. Woo. Yeah, don't have enough hands. I am feeling like a kid in a candy store right now. This is cute. Isn't it? Cute, cute, cute. I like that scarf. Yes, yes, yes. I feel like a kid in a candy store. Just leaving Old Navy 4 hours later, might I say. Over here at Applebee's. About to grab something to eat, me and my honey, and call it a night. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Until next time.